Please be aware that you may experience very strong emotional shifts during this video. Use at your own risk. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Dowsing Master and Mind-Body Emotions Expert. This quick video is going to show you how to release the fear blocks and the emotions that are coming up if you're having difficulty learning to dowse at the degree of excellence that you deserve and that you want to attain. First, I'd suggest sitting down and writing a list of all the feelings you have, like frustration. Maybe you feel betrayed by yourself or your dowsing skills. Maybe you feel mistrust, self-doubt, bitterness, anger, rage, disgust with yourself because you can't learn it, or you can't learn it to the degree of excellence that you want. I've had all those emotions. You might also have fears of not being safe. Something bad could happen. Maybe entities will come after me if I'm dowsing or something. They'll come in like it's a Ouija board or something. They won't. And you might have fears of failure, fears that if you successfully learn how to dowse, something bad's going to happen, fear of rejection or abandonment by loved ones or co-workers. You might also have a fear that this tough time of learning to dowse and getting inaccurate or strange results, or results that are not consistent time after time, that these times of this inconsistency will never end. Those are some ideas. If you have some of them, all of them, just write them down and then look at your list and just start clearing. I now release all my fears of failure to learn how to dowse. I release my fears that I'm never going to get it right, that these inconsistencies will never end. I release my fears now that it's not safe for me to learn to dowse. Something bad could happen. I release my fear that I'm a failure in general, that I'm going to fail at this all the time. I release my fears that if I succeed, people are going to think I'm some kind of a weirdo and reject me or abandon me. Or I release my fear that learning to dowse might change me in some way and I can never go back to the person that I was. I let all this go now. And any and all emotions that are associated with this, feelings of frustration, anger, rage, disgust, bitterness, just trying so hard, impatience. I let all these go now, and so it is. So be it. And these actions that I'm doing, and this, they're just simply clearing the energy meridian system of these emotions that we're talking about. Your simple intention to clear these emotions will do it. So now ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen about this dowsing experience? Write that down and clear it out. Just let it go and keep going. And then once you're done clearing everything and you ask yourself what's the worst that could happen about the dowsing or not learning to dowse, and you just think, I can't think of anything, then generally you're cleared. Get back to practicing, do your dowsing, and soon you're going to be dowsing like a maniac, dowsing like a master, and it's one of the most valuable gifts you can give yourself, your loved ones, your animal friends. I wish you all the best in your dowsing experiences and extreme success in all you do. My website's emorescue.com. Please check it out. You can get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book, all my secrets and information how to dowse surrogately for your loved ones and animal friends as well. Take care. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.